Rajpal. Today I will be presenting the poster titled Sex-Dependent Cardiovascular Variations in Response to Basic Music Features. Literature says that music affects physiology, but biologically male and female are different. So the question here is music autonomic modulation differs for male and female? Do expressive music variations affect male and female differently? And do blood pressure and ECG reaction to music vary in both the sexes? Here we have the purpose to observe the variation in male-female cardiovascular, that is blood pressure and ECG specifically, and how do music features like tempo and loudness impact them. Coming to the methodology section, here we have initially 5-minute baseline silence followed by 4 versions of Western classical music using a reproducing piano to individuals both male and female, and then during that time their blood pressure and ECG signal were acquired. After signal processing, features from the blood pressure were the pulse pressure and mid-beat, from the ECG were the RR and QT interval. Now performing statistical analysis, first I come to the results section where normalized cardiovascular features were used. We did the normalization with respect to one, that is the music features obtained during silence was our gold standard value. We can see that the p values for each type of the graph have different for males and females for the 4 version of music, but the features mainly vary for the blood pressure and ECG. Now coming to the graphical section where the same values are represented in terms of mean and standard deviation. Thus, male and female, they differ in music with respect to the blood pressure and ECG signals when there are 4 variations of music. The important conclusions which we draw from here are reactivity to music is more pronounced when male listeners compared to females. Loud music affects male more, whereas fast music affects females. BP features are more pronounced compared to the ECG. Thus, this study is a torchbearer to the fact that music theranostics is applied or might be applied by the clinicians in the sex difference of the medical field. Thank you.